Welcome back. Now, the DR Congo is in the process of opening its market for other East African communities, with President Uhuru Kenyatta charting the final path to admit the Central African country into EAC. Kenyan investors have been urged by the Financial Services Corporation, EFG Hermes, to tap into opportunities in the Democratic Republic of Congo amid its expected admission into the East African community. Speaking to Metropole TV, EFG Hermes head of equities Mwathi Kilonzo says most East African community member states are largely commodity importers, with the exception of Tanzania, while DRC is a large commodity exporter.
Planning to expand into the Populous Democratic Republic of Congo, that is set to join the regional trading bloc after making a formal application in June 2019. Kenyan investors have been urged by the Financial Services Corporation, EFG Hermes, to tap into opportunities in the mineral-rich country.
So I think, Kenya is a key part of that, and obviously with the expansion of DRC, so as we go westwards, that adds another large partner with a large population, which also has a very different economy from the existing East African community countries. So if you look at Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, they're largely, to an extent, excluding, say, Tanzania, we're largely commodity importers, whereas DRC is a very large commodity exporter. So I think it's great, it's exciting.
To this end, Equity Group is running operations in DRC, followed by KCB, which is pursuing undisclosed bank to set a foothold in the Central African country.
80 million people, 90 million people. Why wouldn't you want to bid? Why wouldn't you want it? Wouldn't you want access to 80, 90 million people? That's almost double the size of us. So, I mean, look, it's an opportunity. And like we said, right, what's happening right now globally, commodity prices. Commodity prices are going through the roof. Guess who's the biggest beneficiary of high commodity prices? DRC. Nobody's like DRC. So if I'm a bank right now, I want to go to DRC and make sure I'm working with all the global multinationals that are mining the country. Well, I want to make sure I'm banking their staff. I want to make sure I'm doing global trade finance, remittances, or externalization of money. I want to do all of that in the DRC right now.
The Democratic Republic of Congo will officially be admitted into the East African community next week, adding a 90 million market for the bloc. At the same time, technology has been described as a key differentiator to Kenya's investment destination that has provided business to thrive.
Investments in Kenya have been, quite vibrant. I think one of the aspects that we've looked at in recent years is the digital adoption. So digitization is cutting across multiple sectors in Kenya, and that's really driven, or rather made Kenya attractive as an investment destination, because the application of new technologies cuts across from healthcare sectors to banking with mobile banking, and the payment space with a lot of e-commerce websites and businesses coming in, and this is a big driver of foreign capital as well as domestic innovation through some of the hubs that we have in the country.
Investors have also been urged to utilize the opportunities in the Nairobi Securities Exchange markets to purchase stocks in order to realize their profits due to low levels of liquidity, opening up the chances for retail to come in. The investment company has been operating in Kenya for the past 4.5 years, even as it allowed to be among the largest brokers in NSE, offering investors with information to make informed decisions. Collins Ogutu for Metropole TV.